But yeah, man, you know, I hope it come out good. You know what I'm saying?
It will, man. Sometimes I check the mail in my underwear.
What?
Yeah.
All right, fellas. Thank you guys for showing up. Jonte, you're finally on time. Good job to you. All right, we need to come up with something good for this next skit for the commercial, okay? Our roast battle's in a week, and we got to come up with something amazing like every other time we've done this. Okay, fellas, what's your ideas? All right, Chuck.
Wet t-shirt contest.
Oh, hell no. Jonte?
I have a list of ideas you can check out.
Man.
Constitution.
What you writing on litmus paper?
Man, that's like rawhide, like animal skin.
All right, then how about y'all have another plan, another idea?
What the hell? That's a Christmas list.
That shit ain't even say nothing but ideas on it.
All right, so what's your idea? What you got?
To work off, booties bouncing, roast battle.
All my girls got skinny booties.
Yeah, you do.
Come on, guys. This ain't gonna take long. We can come up with something. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. I can't come with nothing, man.
Look, man. But look at this, man.
Whoa!
I am sick and tired. Look, we're gonna keep it real simple. All we're gonna do is just say the roast battle is Tuesday, June 19th at Cozzy Comedy Club at 8 o'clock. Be there. We'll be real disrespectful.
Let's get disrespectful!
Look.
Where's the camera at? Let's go, y'all. Let's shoot this.
Okay, man. Start.